Now we're going to look at example B. We are going to treat it the same way we did example A. This time we've got a concert hall with 59 seats in row 1. So we know we're dealing with row and number of seats. And row 1 had 59. Row 2 had 63. And 67 seats in row 3. Okay. And so on. And we've got up to 35 rows of seats. Okay. So the first thing we are asked to do is to write a recursive formula. So remember, we always need somewhere to start. So a sub 1 equals 59. That means our first row has 59 seats. And each term, you take the previous term, and we need to figure out what we're doing to that previous term each time. So if we look from 59 to 63, we're adding 4. And from 63 to 67, again, we're adding 4. So that must be our pattern that we're putting into our recursive formula. So here is our recursive formula. And now we can use that to find the seats in row 4 and which row has 95 seats. So if we start with the 4th row, that's just one row further. So we can just add 4 to 67, which gives us 71. Okay? Now what I want you to do on your own is I want you to continue adding 4 to the number of seats until you get 95 seats, and then see what row that corresponds with. And we'll make sure we all have the same answer tomorrow. Pause the video while you work on that, and then when you're done, hit play again, and we're going to talk about all arithmetic sequences. Now, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the term is equal to the previous term plus a constant. So both of those examples we looked at were an arithmetic sequence. That constant is called the common difference. So in example A, our common difference was 2. In example B, our common difference was 4. So if we generalize this and call D the common difference, then the recursive rule for each of this, for any arithmetic sequence, has the form a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus D. Okay? And don't forget as well that you always need a starting point or a starting term. And that's going to vary depending on the problem. Okay? And now you can flip to the back side of your notes and watch the next video to go through our last example.